This is a simple demonstration on how to create a basic application using App Inventor. Navigate to the App Inventor website and click on the Invent button. You will require a Google account associated with your own email account if you want to develop your own apps using the MIT web interface. After you log in, you will be directed to the My Projects page. This page can be accessed at any point by clicking the My Projects button at the top of the screen. Here we can store, create and modify applications. We're going to be creating a new application. Give your project a name and click OK. The new project opens in the Designer window. The Component Designer is split into three areas. The palette, which contains components which can be used within our app. The Viewer provides a simple design template for the application. Here we can organize the application's display. On the right hand side is the components and their properties. These are the components which have been dragged into the Viewer from the palette. Each component has a selection of properties, as we will see. The basis of this application is simple. We want to display the words Hello World on the screen. Currently our viewer and our application is empty. The first thing we need to do is add a label so we can position and display the text. Drag a label from the palette into the screen. As you can see, the Screen 1 area now has a label with the text for Label 1 printed inside. If we look across at the components, you'll notice a new component named Label 1 has been populated. Along with it are the properties for the label. Rename your label to something you will recognize, as we will need to find it in the blocks editor shortly. Click Rename, making use of a naming convention, and identify the type of component you are working on. The component now reflects the name that you've created. In the Property section, the text property is currently set to text for Label 1. We can change this text in the Designer so the default text when the application starts will be Hello World. Screen 1 will now show the text as it was edited in the properties. Our basic design is now ready and we can open the blocks editor. Now the blocks editor is open, we're going to start a new emulator. The emulator can simulate our application in real time as we create it in the application inside App Inventor. Once the phone is booted up, we can connect to the emulator. Now that the blocks editor has connected to the emulator, you can see the label exists with our Hello World text taken from the properties as we intended.